Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the tools in place. Open your desktop browser, sign into YouTube, and make a quick backup of any playlists you care about. Next, install a user agent switcher or enable the developer tools toggle. Once done, set the user agent to an older browser version. This tricks YouTube into serving the legacy interface. Make sure to keep developer mode visible. You'll need it for the next steps. Don't skip the backup. It saves time if anything resets. Now you perform the middle steps. Choose a specific older user agent, for example Chrome/49 or Firefox/45, and apply it just for www.youtube.com. Then reload the page. A hard refresh or clearing the cache often forces the legacy HTML to appear. If the page still shows the modern version, toggle the extension off and on, then reload again. You can refine rules so only YouTube is affected, preventing other sites from breaking. This narrows changes to just the site you want. Finish by locking your user agent rule and, if needed, applying small CSS fixes via the extension to restore classic layout elements. Test playback, comments, and subscriptions to confirm functionality. If something breaks, clear cookies for YouTube and reload, or revert the user agent to current, then try a different older UA string. One quick troubleshooting tip: disable other extensions and retest. Most conflicts come from ad block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.